Hey, it's Ryan with JLT. Today we're going to be knocking out an install on our new strut bars for the C8 coupe. So this is going to fit the C8 Stingray coupe and the C8 Z06 coupe. So the kit's going to include, we have one kit with just the strut bars right here, and then we also include a lateral brace to just increase the rigidity of our strut bars even more so. So these bars are all billet aluminum. We've got a ton of weight removed here, so they're still stronger than the OEM bar, but also not crazy weight. You don't want to add a bunch of weight to your Corvette, but they look incredible, really strong. Did a bunch of work doing the stress analysis in CAD to make sure we had a design that was lightweight and extremely strong and then looked great in your car. So super straightforward install. We're gonna get cranking on it right now. We're gonna take a Torx 40 and start removing the factory strut bar bolts. I'm going to pinch in here and pull out on the two clips, and then this bar can be removed. And the other side is ready to be removed as well. I'm just going to lightly tap, and it comes right out. So there is a left and a right here. We're just going to line them up. The ones with the two holes farther apart need to have the slope face on the same side. So this is going to be our driver's side bar here. We're going to put a little bit of blue Loctite on our screw here. Bracket's going to be installed facing down in respect to the logo. Use one of the supplied screws. Going into the car, we're just going to line up the rear, slide in the front, and then our clips will line right back up. Go ahead and shove those in. So we're over on the driver's side. We're going to get these all hand tight and started. So we're going to drop one of the stainless steel washers in the hole here, larger washer, and then we're going to reuse the factory bolt, the Torx bolt, get that hand started. And the rear, no washer because these are flange heads. Get that started. The front one started. Now we'll move over to the passenger side next. So if you want to install the lateral cross member, there's going to be one reverse step here. So we're going to remove one screw from the rear. Actually, we'll go ahead and, probably do it with one out. And then we're going to remove both screws from the front. We didn't have these torqued down yet, so they come out real fast. Then we're going to grab our driver's side nut plate here and slide this thing over, get it in. We're going to start our screws. So we're going to start one screw in the lateral brace and just leave that hand tight. And then that will allow us to do the same trick on the other side. We can go ahead and drop these back in now, so this doesn't fall out. So we're going to do the same thing over here. We hadn't torqued these down yet, so get all those removed. Get our hardware, line this up. It's going to go right here. And then slide our bar over, get our nut plate installed from the bottom. Slide the bar back in, and then drop one of our stainless steel screws in place. Now we're going to reinstall our hardware in our strut bar. Went ahead, got all our bolts tightened up, got our fuel line clicked back in over here. So we're done with the install. Basically just going to see a little bit better performance out of these strut bars, a little stiffer than factory. They look a heck of a lot better. billet aluminum, powder coated, smooth black. We got the lateral cross brace in here that really ties the look together. So super pleased with how they turned out. Really fast installation, 15 minutes or less in your driveway, normal tools. Look forward to hearing any questions if you got them. Thank you.